Caswell Maseko's funeral by Presidential Cartel Flashy cars. eMalahleni businessman Caswell Maseko was buried on Saturday in a glamorous affair buzzing with sports cars and expensive booze flowed. Maseko, 30, died from stab wounds he suffered allegedly at the hands of his wife, Itumeleng MakhelemeleMaseko, at their home over a week ago. MakhelemeleMaseko was not at the funeral as she is in police custody for allegedly killing Maseko. Maseko, who was also known as a big spender in his hometown, was given a flashy send-off, which locals dubbed the funeral of the year. He owned a red Ferrari and ran two successful businesses in the coal mining town. Known to locals as Willem, he had apparently on many occasions settled bills amounting to over R40000 at local night spots. He also financially supported local sports teams and was building a creche. However, his popularity was mainly due to wearing expensive clothing brands, throwing great parties and for not being shy to flaunt his money. At his funeral on Saturday, a member of Mesh Kings, a brotherhood group founded by Maseko in July, said he had a bet with him on who would make $1 million first. "I remember we were at News Cafe when the SMS came on his phone and Willem said, 'I've made my first $1 million, I've beaten you to it,' he said." Another member of the group recalled how Maseko had often remarked, "How can you have problems while I have money and you're my friends? What do you want people to say?"